Bonjour, this is Julian, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word from French that originally designates a female native or inhabitant of the French city, the beautiful French city of Nice in the south of France. But a word, of course, that is commonly used to refer to this traditional French salad recipe made of tomatoes, hard-boiled eggs, olives and anchovies or tuna, and dressed with olive oil. In French, this is normally pronounced niçoise. Niçoise. The little thingy under the C in French means that it's pronounced like an S and not a K. That's why you don't say niçoise, but rather niçoise. What did I say? That's why this little thingy is there. In English, this is pronounced rather similarly, niçoise. Niçoise salad or salad niçoise. Here are more videos on how to pronounce useful words and expressions from French, including food words, of course, because the world has borrowed quite a few of these from France. Bon appétit. Au revoir.